we're gonna ride the main elevators, which are not glass. And you see, this is a pretty cool building. Because this is private property, we're not going to do a really detailed take. So yeah, anyway, we're starting from the 12th floor because I managed to go up to 12 with someone else. If you're lucky enough to be at the beach, you're lucky enough. Gonna go to 1. The expiration date is actually expired. Are we stopping already? I think we are. Hi.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I just shut the door on someone, I think. Oh well. Okay, here's your cab view. Normally I don't do cab views going up, but I just decided to look at the indicator going down. These were installed in 1969, probably modernized within the 90s or 2000s. It's got Innovation Decorator fixtures, and the the certificate of operation is actually expired. So here we are at 12. Now we're going to try to get the other elevator, but here's another view. I think it's here. Nope, this one's back. So we're going to send that one down, and then you're gonna see if we can get this one right here. I'll cut the video to when we do, if we do. One of them is coming, I can tell you that. But I'm thinking this one might not be in service. If it doesn't come, of course. We're gonna see if this one comes. And I think it's this one again. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna take this one down. So here's a look at the cab, or not the cab, this thing on the cab. So we got a non-stop ride. These elevators are actually key card off, which means if I try to press the button, it won't work. With that being said, that'll be it.